Oh my gosh. Do I really have to?
Yes.
I don't. I really got a lot of things to do. I don't really feel like doing this crap, man.
Babe, if you really love me,
No!
you'll do it.
You can't put that on me.
That's love and
No, it's not love. It's not. It's not. You better go handle your own business. I am nobody's slave.
I work. I clean. I do the dishes. I do everything.
What?
This is the least you can do for
You
me.
work? Yeah.
I work.
You
I
clean?
clean.
No.
I iron. I sweep. I mop. Do it all.
You're lying.
That my time. That my crew, that my clique. That my fam, that my sis. That my gang, that my rich. Yeah, yeah. That my job. Aye, yeah. That my job. Yeah. Travel wide.
Anyway, this man, okay, after I cooked and everything, damn man wants some damn old cookies, okay? He wants some, see, if I didn't have these cookies out right here, he would have never known I had them. But no.
Somebody had to go put them in the front.
Now I gotta make them. Knowing dang well I got other things that I need to do right now, like wash these dishes. And we just got off live. By the way, if you missed it.
How the hell those dishes get that big? Where's
It's not even
at?
a lot of
Get your
dishes.
get your son to do some freaking work in this house.
We cut that already.
Oh, we're not doing that no more? I thought we were.
We're over that.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Get out now so I can make you damn old cookies.
Get out of here.
I got things to do. I gotta find my marriage license so I could file for a divorce. What if I did that over some cookies? I am tired of slaving over you. I'm not making cookies. I want a divorce. Oh, guys. You know what he keeps telling me? He did this from last night. It only takes 12 minutes. It only takes 12 minutes, but I cannot cook in a messy ass kitchen. Now, he's forcing me to because I have things to do. Hold on. I'll find a damn pan. And he says, it only makes 12. It only makes 12. So you know what's gonna happen, guys? These cookies are going to be done in 12 minutes and gone in like 5. By the way, I got these at Family Dollar or Walmart, either or, and we need butter and a tablespoon of water. I'm not measuring nothing. Not a dang thing I say. I'm not measuring nothing and I made it. Tablespoon of water. I lied. You better love these fucking cookies. That's all I'm saying. How is this supposed to make 12 cookies? 12 tiny little cookies, maybe. Let me preheat the oven. This is 9 cookies, guys. I should have added some flour. Oh well. We have to wait for the oven to burn. Let's go do these dishes. How about that? Can I just say, isn't it the worst? Like, these men don't know what we actually go through during the day, and then they think it's just that simple. You see, it's not that simple. There's things that I have to do in preparation to making these cookies. Like, you pick a freaking terrible time. Not to mention, if you want the cookies so bad, fucking make them, right? Get out of there, Biggie. Get out, come on. He's in the drawer, come on. Let's check these cookies. They almost look done. Let me finish up here. They're done. I'm gonna be nice and give him some milk. Hey, take that off. Because you're eating these cookies right now. And you're about to do a mukbang for the people too. Yeah?
Oh wow. Look at that.
Come on. on, baby. I can't stand here all day holding these.
Sorry, my love, you're right. You saved some for the kids?
Mm-hmm. 3 of them.
All right.
Taste it.
Wow, looks delicious.
I made it with hate.
Delicious, but thank you.
Let me try it. It is good. Alright guys, so
So much.
thank you so much, baby. Now I can go handle my business. You gonna finish doing those clothes?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay. Listen. Just because the man works does not mean that he gets to do nothing when he comes home. I used to think that way. And then I started realizing I am nobody's slave. Right? I mean, I work too. It ain't easy being greasy. Anyway, make sure your man helps you. Who am I fooling? I know damn well I'm gonna go out there and those clothes aren't gonna be done. But it's wishful thinking, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. Good night.